Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start with the car in ACC or onso the 2017 Infiniti QX60 infotainment is active. Once done, enable Bluetooth on your phone and make it discoverable. This allows the vehicle to find it. On the QX60 screen, go to Settings, then Bluetooth, and choose Add New Device. This initiates pairing. You do this now because the system times out, making both devices visible speeds discovery. Stay with the display and your phone for the next step. You'll see a list of detected devices on the QX60 display. Select your phone's name promptly. Once chosen, a PIN appears on both your phone and the vehicle screen. Verify they match, then confirm on both devices so the secure connection completes. If the system asks, grant permissions to sync contacts and messages. This enables hands-free calling and caller ID. Make sure to accept any additional prompts within 30 seconds. Otherwise, the pairing will cancel, and you'll need to restart discovery. Once paired, set your phone as the primary device if you want automatic reconnection. You do this in the Bluetooth settings on the infotainment. Test by placing a call and playing music to confirm both microphone and media audio route correctly. If something goes wrong, try one key troubleshooting step. Delete any old or duplicate Bluetooth entries on both the QX60 and your phone. Then reboot the phone and retry pairing. This clears conflicts and resolves most pairing failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.